Do you ever feel a little dizzy after cleaning your bathroom? Many cleaning products have harsh chemicals. These chemicals can be bad for your health. They can cause headaches and breathing problems. They can even irritate your skin. Eco-friendly cleaning products are different. They are made with natural ingredients. These ingredients are safer for you and your family. Using eco-friendly products means you can breathe easy while you clean. In this video, we'll talk about how to get your bathroom sparkling clean without using harsh chemicals. You will learn about natural and non-toxic cleaning methods. These methods are good for your health and good for the environment. Making small changes in your cleaning routine can make a big difference. Let's choose eco-friendly products for a healthier home and a healthier you. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Traditional cleaning products often contain harmful chemicals. These chemicals can pollute our water and air. They can also harm wildlife. This pollution is bad for our planet. It contributes to climate change and damages ecosystems. Eco-friendly cleaning products are made with sustainable ingredients. These ingredients are biodegradable, meaning they break down naturally. This process doesn't harm the environment. Choosing eco-friendly products helps protect our planet for future generations. By switching to eco-friendly cleaning, you can reduce your environmental footprint. You can make your home a healthier place for you and for the earth. Every small step counts when it comes to protecting our planet. You don't need fancy tools to clean your bathroom the eco-friendly way. You probably already have most of what you need in your home. Start with these basic supplies. Spray bottles. Repurpose old cleaning bottles by rinsing them thoroughly. Fill them with your homemade cleaning solutions. Microfiber cloths. These cloths are super absorbent and reusable. They can clean most surfaces without any cleaner needed. Scrub brushes. Choose brushes with natural bristles like plant fibers. Baking soda, a gentle abrasive and odor absorber. White vinegar, a natural disinfectant and cleaning agent. Castile soap, a plant-based soap that cleans effectively. Essential oils. Add a fresh scent to your cleaning solutions, optional. These simple tools are all you need to clean your bathroom effectively and safely. Using reusable and natural cleaning supplies reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Let's get cleaning. Here's how to tackle your bathroom with natural ingredients. To clean the toilet, sprinkle baking soda into the toilet bowl, then add a cup of white vinegar. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Scrub the bowl with a toilet brush. Flush to rinse. For the shower, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the shower walls and floor. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Wipe down with a damp cloth. Rinse with water. Sprinkle baking soda on the sink surface. Add a few drops of Castile soap. Scrub with a damp sponge. Rinse thoroughly with water. These simple steps effectively clean and deodorize your bathroom without harsh chemicals. Now for some DIY cleaning recipes. Effective and eco-friendly solutions. Making your own cleaning solutions is easy and cost-effective. Here are a few recipes to try. 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, and 10 drops of tea tree oil. Optional. Combine all ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. 1 cup water, half a cup white vinegar, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix all ingredients in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray on surfaces. Half a cup baking soda, 2 tablespoons Castile soap, and 1 tablespoon water. Combine ingredients to form a paste. Apply to surfaces and scrub gently. These DIY recipes are just as effective as commercial cleaners. They're also much gentler on your health and the environment. Here's a green clean routine for maintaining a sparkling bathroom, the natural way. Maintaining a clean bathroom is easier with a regular cleaning routine. For a daily quick clean, wipe down surfaces with a damp cloth. To do a weekly deep clean, follow the cleaning steps outlined earlier in this video. Monthly tasks. Clean grout lines with a baking soda paste and an old toothbrush. If you have a shower curtain, run it through the laundry to prevent any mold or hard water buildup. Open windows while cleaning to allow fresh air in. If you don't have a window in the bathroom, turn on the exhaust fan. Keep surfaces dry to prevent mold. Use a squeegee after showering. By incorporating these simple habits into your routine, you can keep your bathroom sparkling clean. Regular cleaning also prevents the buildup of dirt and grime, making deep cleaning easier. Eco-champions choose sustainable cleaning products. If you prefer to buy eco-friendly cleaning products, many fantastic brands are available. 7th Generation brand offers a wide range of plant-based cleaning products. Method is known for its stylish packaging and effective formulas. Dr. Bronner's offers a versatile Castile soap that can be used for cleaning. When choosing cleaning products, look for certifications like EPA, Safer Choice, products that meet strict safety standards, USDA certified bio-based product, products made with renewable plant-based materials. By supporting these brands, you're choosing products that prioritize both cleanliness and sustainability. Small steps, big impact. Embracing eco-friendly cleaning. Switching to eco-friendly cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by making small changes, like replace one product at a time. Start with your most used cleaner. Try one DIY recipe. Experiment with making your own all-purpose cleaner. Choose reusable options. Switch to microfiber cloths and reusable spray bottles. Every small step you take towards eco-friendly cleaning makes a difference. Remember, it's not about being perfect, but about making conscious choices that benefit your health and the planet. Join the eco-cleaning revolution. Eco-friendly cleaning is more than just a trend. It's a necessary shift towards a healthier and more sustainable future. By choosing natural cleaning methods, you're creating a safer environment for your family and reducing your impact on the planet. Embrace the power of nature's cleaning agents and experience the difference. Join the eco-cleaning revolution today and make a positive impact on your health and the well-being of our planet. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite eco-friendly cleaning idea. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.